Olivia's new neighborhood is full of naughty kids. They ring the doorbell or kick the door, then they just run away. By the time she opens the door, they run away so fast that she can't even see who is knocking and kicking the door. At first, she didn't react too much. She just thought it was kids playing games. But she started to get quite stressed out one day. Since these games had been going on for too long, she decided she was going to teach them a lesson, if she could ever catch any of them. One day, thanks to their little prank, Olivia's anxiety was shooting through the roof. She thought, this is the day I'm going to teach those kids a lesson. As soon as they rang the doorbell, she opened the door right away. This time, there were no kids running down the hall. Instead, a stranger was lurking behind the door. A few days after Olivia went missing, a new girl recently moved into the building, and the man watching behind her with a smile told the kids to play the game again. The kids replied, "You mean the doorbell ditch game?"
Her new neighborhood is full of naughty kids.